Hello, this is Anne. If you are a fan of watching Death Note, then let me tell you that there will exist people like us, who are members of a top secret organization under the United Nations banner. It is our duty to solve Class A cases. Under us are the CIA and FBI, who collaborate with us in solving tough crimes that requires critical thinking and efficient planning. We deliver justice to those who commit unforgivable crimes, and it is our duty to put them in behind bars, without putting civilians' lives in danger. Rest assured that World War III will never occur, as we'll do our best to make this world that we live in a peaceful and just one. For you criminals who run amok in this world, we are warning you. Submit yourselves or feel our wrath, because we are justice.